you? I am Mr. Perfect. Today I am super excited because you can make massive income. Yeah, really, you can make massive income. Before that, subscribe my channel and turn notification on, therefore you can get every single video. So let's move. When you click on the magic link that I have below, you're gonna come on the website. Your friend sent you $10. You can see that here. You can join with Facebook, with Google. Yeah, you can join. That is totally free. You can get $10 when you sign up. Okay? Actually, I sent you $10 and I also earn $10 when you sign up. You can do the same. Yeah, really. And I enter my email. Now click on join with email. Enter the password. Confirm your password. Now click on join. You can click on done or skip this setup. Yeah, that also done. What is BeFrugal? BeFrugal is an online shopping platform. There are thousands of stores are available, and there are much benefits. Firstly, I will check you how you can get cash back. Yeah, you can get cash back. Earning cash back is as easy as 1 to 3 setup. Browse BeFrugal and choose from over 5,000 retailer shop. Click on any coupon deal or shop now button and complete your purchase as you normally would. Get paid. Cashback is automatically added to your account. We will send you cashback via PayPal, check, direct deposit, or gift card. So now we go to the next page. You can buy something who you want to buy. There are much other benefits. You can check coupons. There are crazy deal coupons, online coupon, restaurant coupon, printable grocery, weekly grocery coupons. You can check save $1, $1.79 natural balance. And if you buy a life look, you can get earn $45 cash back. Yeah, really, you can buy it if you want. There are cheap deals are available. Yeah, really, you can check. Honey can to travel vacuum pack combo. Just available $3.21 or 8% cash back. Wow, that is I think that is a good deal. And you can make a deal on restaurant. There are later offering the latest coupon for over 20 to 50 popular restaurants. Yeah, really, you can share KFC, Burger King, Pizza, Subway. Yeah, really, that is I also checked all the check. Okay, hotel. Now click on the hotels. Hotel. Complete your purchase to earn up to 35% cash back. Yeah, really, I think that earn up to 35% cash back on hotel booking. Here you can check city. You can search your city, current city, check in, check out, one room search. Okay, now I am giving you a link in the description. Just sign up free, just free, and make massive income. I advise to all of you, don't waste your time. Just do it. More effort, you more earn. Okay? And finally, if you are excited to my video, I have just make 100 likes. Okay? Hit like and subscribe my channel. Okay, take care. We will see you soon.